Starting with exercise 6.4, question number 5. First, find the least number which must be added to the number so as to get a perfect square. Okay. First question is what number should be added in this number to make it a perfect square, and also find the square root of the perfect square. Afterwards, whatever the number is obtained, you have to find out the square root of that number also. So these two questions that we have to solve here. First step, long division method to find out the square number. So 525, put the bars on the number, find the square number which is less than 5 or equal to 5. So we will go with 2 times 2, that is 4. Subtracting 4 from 5 we get here 1, bring 125 down. Adding 2 here we get 4. Now next, which number we will here multiply to get 125 equal to 125 or less than 125. Let us go with that. If you multiply 41 into 41 is 41. 42 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 is 84. 43 into 3 is 129. Okay. So here 84 we will go because 129 is already greater than 125. So here number 2, 42 into 2 is 84. Subtracting the number we are getting here 41 not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. So as we already discussed about the addition in the example, what we will do here, square of 22 is less than 525. Therefore we will take 23 square. Okay. Now what is 23 square? Let us find out what is 23 square. So 23 into 23, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 6, 2 into 6, and 2 2s are 4. So it is 529. So it is equal to 529. Next, our next step. Already we have taken one more than 22. So next step is subtract 525 from 529. We will get it as a 4. Okay. So the answer is the number to be added is equal to 4 in this given number. So when we add 4, what we get? We get 529. Okay, and therefore square root of 529 is equal to 23. So this is our answer. Next question, 1750. Again using the long division method, put the bars on the number. Square number here will be 4 into 4, 16. Subtracting 16 we get 1 here, bringing 50 down. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now let us find out the multiplication over here. 81 into 1 is 81. 82 into 2 is 164. 83 into 3 is 249. Okay, here. So obviously we will go with 81 into 1. So let us go with 81 into 1 is 81. So first step, what we will have here? 9 and 49, which is not equal to 0. So we can say that here 41 square is less than the given number. So what we will do? we will take the next number of 41, that is 42 square. So what is 42 square? Let us find out. 42 into 42. 2 into 2, 4, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. So we have 4, 6, 1, 1764, which is equal to 1764. Now simple, subtract 1750 from 164. So our next step is 1764 minus 1750. So it is equal to 14. So 14, therefore 14 is the required number to be added in this number. So when we add 14 to this number, it gives 1764, and square root of 1764, we already know that it is 42. Clear? Question number 3, 252. Go to the division method. Put the bars on the numbers. 1 into 1 is 1. Subtracting 1 from 2, we get 1 and bringing 52 down here. Add 1, we get 2. So let us take out which number we have to multiply. 21 into 1 will be 21. 22 into 2, it will be 44. 23 into 3 is 69. 24 into 4, it will be 96. 25 into 5 will be 125. And 26 into 6, 6 is a 36, will carry 156. So here we will go with 5 here. So 25 into 5, we get 125. Subtracting 125 from 152, what we get here? 12 and 2, 4 here. So it is 0 to 7, which is not equal to 0. So here what we will do next step is, as the remainder is not equal to 0, that means that 15 square is less than 252. Therefore we will take 16 square, which is 256. Okay? So we will go to 16 square, next number of 50. Therefore, subtracting 252 from 256, we get 4. So 4 is the required number to be added to 252 to make it a perfect square. And when we add number 4 here, it becomes 256. Therefore, square root of 256 we already know is 16. So square root of 256 is 16. Okay. So our answer, 4 is the required number and 16 is the square root of the number obtained. Next question, 1825. Make the pair. The square number will go with 18, will be 4 into 4 is 16. Subtracting 16 from 18 we get 2. Bring 25 down here. Add 4 here, we get 8. Let us take it out the multiplication, which goes 81 into 1 is 81. 82 into 2 is 164. 83 into 3 is 249. Okay. So here we can see that 225 lies between 82 and 83. So here we will go with 82. Into 2 is 164. Now subtract the number. What we will have here? 1, 12 and here 1. So here is 61, which is not equal to 0. So our next step to take the next number of 42. So 42 square is less than 1825. Therefore, we will take 43 square. Now 43 square, what is that? Check it out. 43 into 43. 3 into 3, 9. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. That is 70. Okay. So it is 1, 4, 8, 9. 1, 4, 8, 9. So 43 square is 1849. Now subtracting the number from the number of 43 square, what we will have now next? Therefore, 1449 minus 1825, we get 24 here. Answer is 24 is the required number to be added. Okay, here which number we will add here? 24. And what we got? So square root of 1849 is 43. But we have got here. So our answer will be 24 number that will be added and 43 is the square of the number so obtained. Question number 5. 6412. So already making the bar on the numbers. 64 square of 8. So 8 into 8 is 64. We get it remainder 0. Bringing it right down here. Here at the number 8 we get 16. Okay. So we will go with 0. 160 0 is 0. So what we are getting here? Number 12 which is not equal to 0. Obviously we can say that therefore 80 square is less than 6412. Okay. So we will take the next number, that is 81 square. Now find out what is 81 square. 81 and here 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64. So it is 1656. 6561 which is equal to 6561. So what we will do here? 6561 minus 6412. So what we will get here? We get here 149. Check it out. 6412. Here 11, here 5. So 11 minus 2 is 9, 5 minus 1 is 4 and here is 1. So we are getting here 149. So our answer will be 149 is the required number to be added. Okay, here 149 is the number to be added to this, and already you know that the square root of the 6561 is 81. So our answer is 149 here 81. Yeah. Question number 6. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. Now we know that side into side is the formula of area of the square. What are the answer? Area of the square is equal to side into side. We are already given that it is 441 meters square, which is equal to s square. Therefore, s is equal to square root of 441 meter square. Let us check it out. What is this? We have to find. We will use long division method here. Putting the bar 2 into 2 41. So subtracting we are getting 0. Here remainder is 0. So we can say that square root of 441 is equal to 21. And your meter square is there, so it becomes meter. So our answer is the length of a side of a square is 21 meter. Question number 7. In a right angle triangle, ABC angle is 90 degree and we have to find out AB 6 cm is given, BC 8 cm is given. We have to find out the length of AC. Let us draw a picture over here. Rough picture. Here the triangle B is 90 degree, that is already here, and AB is 6 cm, BC is 8 cm. You have to find AC. So, according to the Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Okay. So already AB we are having 6 cm. So it is 6 square. And already we are having BC is 8 square and AC square. Okay. So when we add this, 6 square is 36 plus 64 is equal to AC square. So therefore AC square is equal to 100. Okay, AC square is equal to 100. Therefore AC is equal to square root of 100. It is equal to 10. So we can say that AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. Next question. AC is equal to 30 centimeter. BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Find AB. Again we can draw the rough figure here. ABC. AB is, we have to find this. AC is given 13 centimeter and BC is given as 5 centimeter. Let us check it out. So according to Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now our AB square we have to find out, plus BC is given is 5 centimeter, therefore 5 square. AC is given 13 centimeter, so it is 30 square. Now transposing method we will use. So AB square is equal to 13 square minus 5 square, which is equal to 169 minus 25, which is equal to 144. So AB square we get 144. Therefore AB square is 144. Therefore AB is equal to square root of 144. That is equal to 12. Therefore AB is equal to 12 centimeters.